G'day, Paul from Hunter Regional Landcare Network here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a water lance. What's a water lance, I hear you ask? It's a little water jet which makes holes in the ground so you can shove trees in. Fantastic way of making holes, a lot easier than digging. So what you're going to need is one little 1-inch end cap, a little bit of pipe, galvanized pipe, thread on each end. That's about 250 mil long. Slightly longer bit of gal pipe, that's about 1 metre long. Threaded up that end, was threaded down there. Cut the end off at an angle, make it nice and sharp. We'll need galvanized T-piece, one ball valve, 1-inch adapter, 1 3/4 adapter, one of these little things that plugs into your hose, so that's for your 3/4 inch hose. And you'll also need some of that, plus, so that is thread tape, plus you're also going to need shifters, Stilsons. Right, and because I'm pre-prepared, which is something which doesn't happen often, I've already got the thread tape on there. So let's see how long we can take to do this. Right, grab that, put that on there. Tighten it up. Partially done. Getting closer. And there you go, one water lance. It doesn't take long at all, does it? So simple, even I can do it. Catch you later.